Demystifying the phrase, old fart. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we are going to dive into the interesting and sometimes humorous world of English slang. Specifically, we're going to look at the phrase, old fart. Have you heard this before? Let's break it down together. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the literal meaning of the words in the phrase. Old, a term used to describe something that has existed for a long time. Fart, a slang term for the gas expelled from the digestive system, also known colloquially as passing gas. When combined, it might sound like we're talking about an aged gas, but that's not what the phrase means in the context of English slang. The term, old fart, is a light-hearted, colloquial, and sometimes cheeky way to refer to an older person. It's essential to note that this term is informal and can be both endearing and slightly derogatory, depending on the context and tone. For example, in a friendly context, "My grandpa, that old fart, still beats me at chess every single time." In a more derogatory context, "Don't listen to him, he's just an old fart stuck in his ways." To better grasp its use, let's look at a few examples. 1. Despite being called an old fart by his niece, Uncle Bob always took it with a pinch of humor. 2. You might think he's just an old fart, but he has a wealth of experience to share. 3. She called her car an old fart because it was ancient and made funny noises. While it can be a humorous way to describe someone, be cautious when using the term. It's essential to ensure that the person you're referring to won't be offended, as the term can come across as disrespectful in certain situations. Always gauge the mood and the relationship you have with the person before using such colloquialisms. And there you have it. Now you're familiar with the slang phrase, old fart. Remember, language is a living entity, constantly evolving and adapting. While it's fun to learn these phrases, always be mindful of their appropriate use. We hope this video has been both entertaining and educational. Happy learning!